This is a quick tutorial on how to use contouring in Cricut Design Space. I'm starting out with two designs, both from Cricut Access. I want to take the wording and add it to the design with the cat silhouette. However, neither of the designs are ungroupable. So I'm going to use the contour tool to achieve the desired look. I'll begin by duplicating the design I want to break apart and click on Contour. Once in the Contour dialog, select Hide All Contours and click on the pieces you want to show. For this design, I had to specifically hide the outer heart shape, which left only the text. Continue contouring until you get all the pieces you want. This is a great way to customize colors and designs. Hope this helps with understanding contouring. Thanks for watching.